Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix FPS drop problem in Valorant. So in the first step, open File Explorer, then simply go to this PC, then open C drive. Now open Windows folder, then open System32 folder, and we need to find out the file name game bar presence writer. Simply right click on it and select properties. On this window we need to select security tab, then click on advanced button. Now from here click on change and select advanced and click on find now. Now we need to find our username. To check on the system, simply click on start icon and you will get the username here, and find out here node A. So select it and click on OK. So click on OK and then click on apply, select OK and then OK. Again click on advanced button, select change permissions and click on add button. Here select a principal and click on advanced. Select find now. Again we need to select our username. So here it is, the same one. Select it and click on OK. Now click on OK and check this box full control. After that we need to select S and click on OK. Third time click on advanced button. Now you need to click on change, then type this nt space service / trusted installer and check names, so underline should be there. Click on OK and then click on apply, select OK and OK. Now close this and open File Explorer again. Then go to this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder, then open System32 folder and select game bar presence writer. Right click on it, select show more options and click on rename. Now we need to rename it and simply add something which you will remember. So for example I am adding ABC at the end of the name. Hit enter, select continue and select S. So there we go. Once done, close this window and simply move to the next step. Right click on the taskbar, select task manager. On this window we need to click on run new task, then select browse. On this window go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Again we need to open System32 folder. Simply double click on it to open it. Now this time we need to find out cmd.exe file. Select it and click on open. Now we need to check this box and click on OK. On this window we need to execute these two commands, so type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. First command, type sfc space /scan file equal to c:/windows /system32 /ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type sfc space /verify file equal to c:/windows /system32 /ieframe.dll. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window and simply go to search bar, then type run. Click here to open it. You can open this window by pressing Windows key +R, then type temp and click on OK. Now select all these files and simply delete them. Once done, close this window. Again press Windows key +R key together to open run, and this time type %temp% and click on OK. Again we need to select all these files and simply delete them. So once done, close this window, again open run and type here prefetch, prefetch, and click on OK. Again select all the files and delete them and close this window. The last method, just go to search bar, type control panel and click here to open it. Select view by as category and click on system and security, then select power options and select create a power plan, then select high performance and name the plan is gaming performance. You can name it anything. Select next and restart your system. That's it guys. Simply like the video and subscribe our channel. You are good to go.